What is up, guys? This is the last day of summer. We are out here, we are cleaning up things, getting everything in order. We got Trap Blazer, we got it cleaned up inside. We're getting ready to go spray it down. The Jag's back there. I'm getting ready to, you can see here, I got the cords and stuff out for the shop vac. I'm getting ready to vacuum that out. That was sprayed off last night. It's alright, it's not too bad. We got something else back here. See that? What is that? That's a bow tie, guys. Chevy bow tie. That's the Equinox. We got some projects coming with that. All-wheel drive, 3.6 liter Chevy Equinox. So we're gonna be doing some things like that. I'm thinking about rims, 24s, maybe 22s. We'll see. The Jag, you know, we got plenty of projects coming up for that still. Trap Blazer, there's some things in the work for that. But this is the last day of summer, guys. We're out here. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up, get it sprayed down, and we'll be back a little later with some more videos and hopefully some guests. So you guessed, you know who you are. You know where we're going. We'll see you there. So until then, guys, keep on trapping. Don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. That's what's up. We'll see you shortly.